Okay, so today I guess we can start with the tree analysis, or it's also called as the phylogenetic tree analysis. And this would be your 20-30 points question in your exam too. Okay, just like the micro question. So from our previous PowerPoint, if you remember the tree structures, right? So you had those tree, you have root, and then you have branches, binary branches, right? So that helps us to understand the evolution of those species or elements within a tree. So that is something which you will generate using our packages. So open a new R document, right? So open a new R console and new R document. You have it. Save it as phylogenetic analysis. Okay, then we need these 4 packages. So some of the functions which we'll be using for generating the tree, those functions we need to import from these packages. So we need these 4 packages called ape, Python, PyTools, and the last one, right? So I also don't have them installed. Right. So what you do is you just copy these first 4 lines and save it in this document and also run it on your console. If you run it, you see that the packages, it gets installed without an error. So I'll do the same. Yes, RD. So just run these 4 statements on your console. And you should have them installed without an error. So let me know if you have any error. Okay, so I just ran the first 4 lines, and then I ran the line number 10, 11, 12, 13, and I loaded the libraries, and I don't have any error. So that's something which you should see. I just ran the first 4, like first line, second line, third, fourth. Oh, and then I ran 10, 11, 12, 13. And that's it. So this is a one-time installation, right? So in the exam, if I ask you to generate trees, you don't have to run your first 4 lines again, right? You don't have to run your install packages statement again. Unless you use a different computer. Good.
The first 4 and then the last 4?
10, 11, 12, 13. Any error?
I don't think so.
No, good. So you should have the, I think the exact same as what I have on my console. After you load the libraries. All right, so is it good till line number 13?
Mhm.
We move on.
Yes.
All right, so what we have done here is we have just installed 4 packages and we have loaded them in your current session using the function library, right? And then once you run the library, then it should say that there were some dependencies, dependent packets which were loaded like maps, rescale, and so on. So this is done. So now the next thing you're going to do is we want to create some dummy data, right? Now, and this is what we want to make your tree on, right? So if you remember the tree, right? The tree was like a structure where you had like one species, and then you have humans and apes and monkeys, right? So they were all related. You had the tree. So you want to generate some dummy data for that. And that essentially is the text string data, right? So here we want to make a tree on the species. So we have like cow, whale, bat, humans, goldfish, sharks. So these are different species, and we want to use this data to generate the tree. So is it possible for you to type in the statement?
I think so.
There are some brackets, so make sure you don't
That's
miss
6 brackets go for a cow, right?
7.
7.
7 brackets, close bracket. Yeah, try typing in. Don't make sure you don't miss anything, because if you miss any of the brackets or commas, it is going to mess up the tree. So make sure you type in the exact same way. And we're storing this data in a variable called text.string.
And once we have you.
Yeah, so once we have this, then just copy the statement and try to put it on your console. Paste it, enter, no error. Good. So far.
Error, I got error.
What is it?
Unexpected, parentheses, mistake, slash,
Unless we missed, we have brackets, and then double quotation.
uh-huh. Oh, in your right is. Okay, I got it.
Okay, good.